Now you see we have gamma D. You can see gamma D here 18 kilonewton per meter cube, and we can see phi is equal to 30 degrees. Now what we have to do is we need to calculate active force, active thrust per meter length. You know that story, per meter length of the wall. Estimate the change in total pressure in the following circumstances. First, the top of the backfill carrying a UDL. For example, somebody put an additional load on the ground surface. This load is uniformly distributed. This load is uniformly distributed. So let me tell you, the intensity of the loading is given 6 kilopascal. Q is equal to 6 kilopascal. So get ready now. A small road is constructed on it. Think like that. So now the next part of the question, in the second place, the backfill under submerged condition with water table at an elevation of 2 meters from the top. So now if water table is here, this is next case at a depth of 2 meters from the ground level. So the thing is, once the ground conditions are changing, so there is no doubt the effective pressure is also going to be changed. There is no doubt active earth pressure is also going to be changed. So which result in change in active force also. So let us discuss about the first part. Okay. So now you see what I am asking you students. Please all of you work out now. So I have eraser, I think. Yes, I can use this. Now you tell me now how to calculate active force when there is no water table, no surcharge. Get ready now. What is your answer? So PA is equal to, now there is no need to teach everything. This is 0 here. This is gamma, Ka gamma H. This is the intensity of active earth pressure, PA. Which is acting at a height h by 3. Now what is the force now? Ka gamma h square by 2. So what is the answer now? Can anyone tell me now? Gamma is given 18, 530. So how to calculate Ka? 1 minus sine phi by 1 plus sine phi. I'm getting 1 by 3 into 18 into 6 square by 2. By 2 I am writing, it is off base into height. I'm telling about active force. How to determine active force? Force is nothing but thrust. So what is that? I have surcharge. No doubt I have surcharge here, Q. So once surcharge is there, it implies equal pressure. Either it is vertical or horizontal, but my interest here is horizontal pressure, and especially I want active earth pressure. Now multiply with Ka into Q. Apart from whatever we are having. Whatever we are having means this triangle Ka gamma H plus Ka into Q. This is the intensity of active pressure KQ. So how to calculate now? KQ into H plus of already what we calculated. There is no need to write once again, because in the last case we have clearly mentioned Ka gamma H square by 2. So altogether you will get the answer, don't worry, in kilonewton per meter. So that is what your friends are saying. But firstly, whenever you start answering this question, first you calculate Ka. What is Ka? Coefficient of active earth pressure. After that, you please concentrate on how to calculate active earth pressure, then active force. Okay, so go one by one. So then you think about surcharge. Okay, then KQ into H plus of Ka gamma H into H. Then you will get force. If you want the resultant, the point of application of resultant from base, I bar is equal to A1 Y1 plus A2 Y2 by A1 plus A2. So this is the way we need to calculate many times. Now you see, we have another case actually that is also very important for us. That case I have to discuss with you. So the presently now we are discussing this case, the backfill under a submerged condition with water table at an elevation of 2 meters. For example, I have water table. Let me draw the water table. This is water table which is at a depth of 2 meters from the ground level. Can anyone tell me now how to answer the question? Please, anyone can unmute and speak. I am just I want to take help of some student, because if student is speaking, his voice is equal to all the students. Okay, because I have taught this, but now I want to learn from you. So anyone can unmute and speak me how to answer this question. And also I will help you also. In between we will discuss, we will try to understand it. Can anyone unmute and speak? So can anyone, because I know my students are having courage to speak. So let us speak now, please. Everyone Japani. How to answer this? So when water table is, let me tell you, I used to tell you one thing before you people are saying this is H1, and let me tell you H2. What is H2 now? I will give my inputs. H2 is 6 minus 2, which is equal to 4 meters. So get ready now. H1 is 2, H2 is 4. So please tell me now, so how to calculate active force when water table is there. And also, I think the question is follow the backfill under submerged with water table 2 meter. Estimate the change in total pressure in the following circumstances. The first we have discussed effect of surcharge. Second is effect of water table. For your understanding, if water table is there. Get ready now. Tell me the answer. So here you see, if I ask the answer, you may give some numerical value, but I want to listen the answer from you students. Because here you may say the answer, because here you need to calculate gamma set, I think. This time you need gamma set. How to calculate gamma set? Here you see G plus E into gamma W by 1 plus E. Now I am getting now gamma set. Now at the end you see, this is very interesting to see. Here we have Ka into gamma into H1. It is constant now. Now Ka gamma 2 dash H2. So this is 3. And another thing is that maybe it is not visible here. One more is there. Let me draw. It is missed there. Here one more triangle. Can anyone say this is gamma W into H2? We need to add exclusively hydrostatic pressure. So 3, then followed by 4. So what is the answer now? So I think I purposefully not written the answer. So now you just tell me now how to answer PA. Everyone unmute chest chepte. That is why actually I have not shown answer to you. In kavalani answer thesis. So what is the answer now? Ka into, can anyone tell me, gamma D into H1 square by 2 plus Ka into, so what about this rectangle? Ka gamma D H1 into, so what is the height of the rectangle here? H2. So luckily I completed 2 diagrams. Now third one is a triangle. Now you can see a triangle Ka, but don't forget to write gamma dash here because it is submerged. This portion is submerged. Gamma dash H2 square by 2 plus, don't forget to add this gamma W into H2 square. So this time I am writing H2 square because H2 portion is in submergence. not the entire strata. If entire strata is there, you can write h square. Okay, now, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So can anyone tell me the answer now? So better you do like this: 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus. If you do like this, you will not commit any mistake. I'm telling you that hint. There is one hint in solving these questions. The hint is, let me tell you, try to add the areas of each diagram separately and do their calculation. Can anyone tell me what is the calculation of this portion? Ka into means 1 by 3. I can do actually. I can use my aptitude knowledge. Gamma 18. H1, can anyone help me now? What is H1? 2 square by 2. So how to do now? I am getting 6 now. So 6 into 2. I can write without calculator, 12. అందుకే మనకి గేట్ ఎగ్జామ్లో చాలాసార్లు యాప్టిట్యూడ్ టెస్ట్ చేస్తాడు. మీరు ఎప్పుడు అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి, మెనీ టైమ్స్ ఇన్ గేట్ ఎగ్జామ్ గామా 18 ఇస్తాడు, 530 ఇస్తాడు, హైట్ ఆఫ్ వాల్ 6 ఇస్తాడు. వీళ్ళు మనం ఏం చేస్తాం అంటే క్యాలిక్యులేటర్ తీసుకుని గుద్దేస్తూ ఉంటాం. ఎందుకు ఇవే ఇస్తాడు ఎవరైనా చెప్తారా మీరు? బికాజ్ గేట్ మీన్స్ గ్రాడ్యుయేట్ యాప్టిట్యూడ్ టెస్ట్ ఇన్ ఇంజనీరింగ్. దే విల్ చెక్ అవర్ యాప్టిట్యూడ్. ఇది యాప్టిట్యూడ్. ఇది ఇప్పుడు మనం టీచ్ చేసేది ఈ పోర్షన్ అని చూసారా? ఏంటి సార్ మీరు క్యాలిక్యులేటర్ కూడా లేకుండా చేశారంటే ఐ డోంట్ థింక్ దట్ ఐఎమ్ ఏ హ్యూమన్ క్యాలిక్యులేటర్. ఎలా చేయగలిగాను అంటే ద రీజన్ ఇస్ వెరీ సింపుల్. వాడు కరెక్ట్గా 530 ఇస్తాడు. 530కి ఎప్పుడు 1/3 వస్తుందమ్మా. గామా 18 ఇస్తాడు. ఈ 18 మేము 6 అవుతుంది. ఇలా చాలా విషయాలు డిస్కస్ చేయొచ్చు మనం. There are so many things to discuss. So anyhow, tell me now. So what is the second portion? ఎవరైనా చెప్తారమ్మా? మీరు చక్కగా చేయండి. నేను మీకు టైం ఏమన్నా ఇస్తాను. I will give time also. Okay. So now you can tell me now. Hello. Hello. 48. You are telling about second portion. Yes. So our friend is saying now. He is telling it is 48. So now what about this person now? This third step. Okay, I will give time because I'm not here to disturb anyone. 1/3 into gamma dash. I think I have to find gamma set, I think. So gamma set is given in question or not? Yes, they given specific gravity of solids. Okay, so from that you can able to get gamma set. Here you see. See, I have gamma d. Gamma d means g gamma w by 1 plus e. So from that I am getting e. So that e I can use in calculation of gamma set. Gamma set is g plus e gamma w by 1 plus e. Now the thing is, I know e. I got from this formula. Now if I substitute e here, I can get gamma set. Anyhow, this is a big problem, 8 mark or 9 mark problem. It is not just 2 mark question, whatever we are discussing. Okay, so usually in examination they will ask this question for maximum marks, 8 mark, 9 mark, like that. Okay, so now let us see the answer now. Let me tell you. So the third portion, can anyone help me now? I think I purposefully not written the answers. Purposefully. If I write it, you will tell it. That's why I just hidden the answers. Get it now? So what is the pressure force from this third diagram? You are seeing here in third diagram. So I purposefully left fourth diagram. You need to draw that also. So please tell me the answer now without any hesitation. So So I am waiting for you people. Okay, take your one time. So here you see, so far we discussed the first diagram area, that is 12. The second one is 48. Now we are discussing third one. 1 by 3 into 18 into 1 by 3 into 18 into 6 into 6. Oh, that's good, I think. So now I have 6 into 6 means, okay, gamma dh. Into 36 into 6. No, I'm sorry, H1 is here 2. Let me tell you, this is 2, this is 4, I think, yes. So now I have 18, then 55.4, 59.81 into H2 square. H2 square means 4 square by 2. That is 16 by 2. So now I can get it around 80. Okay.